Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the Webull Investing App. Okay, so here we are on Webull. This is the dashboard screen. Today is November 19th, 2020, and they've just added cryptocurrency trading. You can come to the community tab and see all of the recent news here, but you can see cryptocurrency trading is now available with Webull Crypto. So to summarize that, you can now buy and sell 4 different cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, and you can buy as little as $1. So you don't have to buy a whole coin or anything like that. You can just dabble in this if that's what you choose to do. So let's go ahead and go to my watch list. I've added Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin to my watch list already. If you want to do that, you can tap the search icon in the top right corner and add those to your watch list as well. I'm not going to be buying any Bitcoin Cash simply because I'm just not a fan of Bitcoin Cash. Know that there's a difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to be sticking to Bitcoin. So once you have an account, you funded your account, you're all set up, all of that good stuff. You just want to tap on Bitcoin. It's going to give you a chart and everything right here. Let's go to like a 1-year chart. It's a little bit better to look at. So you can get tons of information on here, but we just want to tap trade in the bottom left corner. By the way, when you first tap that trade button, you'll have to do a little application, but you pretty much get approved right away. So this is going to give us a bunch of options. This is going to be confusing for a lot of people, but I'm going to show you how to make it super simple. If you're on limit order right here, that basically means you're placing an order in the order book, and then you're waiting for someone to sell to you or someone to buy your crypto. I'm going to switch this to market. That's gonna pretty much automatically do everything for us. It's just gonna automatically take the current price. Then right here, you wanna choose buy or sell. We want to buy right now. Right below that, you're gonna see amount in BTC, and you can tap this and it's gonna toggle. So you can do amount in BTC or amount in dollars. So if you want to buy like 0.1 Bitcoin, you could type that in here. If you wanna buy like $1 worth, you can type that in here. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. Just buy $1 as an example. Time and force, just leave that and tap buy. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. So just like that, we've already purchased Bitcoin. It went to the open orders and got filled immediately. We can come to my positions and see, here's my Bitcoin. It's worth about 99 cents right now. Just because the market is so volatile, you can see up at the screen, you know, it was just 18,199. Now it's 18,155. Let's go back here. Go back again. Come to my dashboard. You can see here's my Bitcoin. I own 0.0000545 Bitcoin. That's worth about 99 cents right now. So if you guys know from my channel, I'm a big believer in Bitcoin. So I'm going to be buying more Bitcoin than this. This is just for the example. So let me go ahead and show you how to sell this now. So we want to go to watch list, tap on Bitcoin, tap trade. We want to do market, sell. We can just drag this slider all the way to the right. That's going to be all of my Bitcoin, 100%. You can see amount in BTC right here, 0.00005455, the exact amount you saw on my position screen. And then we can just tap sell. It's going to give us our order details here. Tap confirm. Order amount cannot be less than $1. That's pretty unfortunate. We'll just tap buy. We'll buy $1 more. Buy, confirm. So now I have about $2 of Bitcoin. Now I'll show you how to sell it. So be on the sell tab, slide this all the way to the right 100%. Tap sell. It's going to give us our order details. Tap confirm. So you can go to open order, see that already filled. My positions, I have no position. So it sold my Bitcoin. You can go back here, go back again, go to the dashboard, see that I have no positions in Bitcoin. So there's how you would buy and sell Bitcoin. It looks like you need to have at least $1 worth to sell. And I was at somewhere around 99 cents, so it wouldn't let me sell the first time. But you know, that's no big deal. Most people are going to be dealing in quantities larger than $1, obviously. And pretty much the same exact thing goes for Ethereum and Litecoin. So there you have it, how to market, buy, and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using the Webull app. Also, if you sign up with the link in the description, Webull is currently running a promotion where you'll get 2 free stocks. And if you fund your account with $100, you'll get an additional 2 free stocks. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.